I'll be calling you a radical. Remember when anti-littering and not littering used to be a thing in the old USA? Oh my God. This place is disturbing. sNOw, Utah. Has this society in our lifetime, quality of life, just crashed in our lifetime? Remember when to litter was a cultural taboo? When people gave a shit, $1,000, that'd be $10,000 fine by today's inflation. Yay! sNOw, Utah. God, well, there's no garbage can close. By the way, I remember reading a study that #1 most litter in America is Burger King. Disturbing. Unbelievable, right? sNOw, Utah. What's that noise in the background? Oh, that's noise pollution. All day, every day, all night, every night. F-35s. Boogeyman, the sound of freedom. Okay. If this is free. Up is down, black is white, wrong is right. USURY America. Won't fix the real rock. Just replace it with fake rock. No snow on the grassy knoll in Utah. February 7th. Drought denial is not a river. It's an acutely gone dry Great Salt Lake. Great Salt Lake was above normal levels in 2012. I have videos to prove it. Acute radical catastrophe. sNOw, Utah. No snow on the grassy knoll. Just garbage and litter. Go team. Stand tuned.